वासुदेवेन्द्र योगीन्द्रं नत्वा ज्ञानप्रदं गुरुं मुमुक्षूणां हितार्थाय तत्त्वबोधोऽभिधीयते साधनचतुष्टय सम्पन्नाधिकारिणां मोक्षसाधनभूतं तत्त्वविवेकप्रकारं वक्ष्यामः साधनचतुष्टयं किं नित्यानित्यवस्तुविवेकः इहामुत्रार्थफलभोगविरागः शमादिषट्कसम्पत्तिः मुमुक्षुत्वं चेति नित्यानित्यवस्तुविवेकः कः नित्यवस्त्वेकं ब्रह्म तद्व्यतिरिक्तं सर्वमनित्यम् अयमेव नित्यानित्यवस्तुविवेकः विरागः कः इह स्वर्गभोगेषु इच्छाराहित्यं शमादिसाधनसम्पत्तिः का शमोदम उपरमः तितिक्षा श्रद्धा समाधानं च इति शमः कः मनोनिग्रहः दमः कः चक्षुरादिबाह्येन्द्रियनिग्रहः उपरमः कः स्वधर्मानुष्ठानमेव तितिक्षा का शीतोष्णसुखदुःखादिसहिष्णुत्वं श्रद्धा कीदृशी गुरुवेदान्तवाक्यादिषु विश्वासः श्रद्धा समाधानं किं cittaikāgratā. So this is where we have to start from today. So last session we talked about the Shraddha. This is a set of questions and answers. The student is asking the question to the Guru. What are these qualities? What should I develop? Like that he is asking the Guru. And the Guru is answering. And last time we saw about Shraddha. Shraddha कीदृशी. What is the nature of Shraddha? Like that the student asked the teacher. For which the teacher replied that you should have faith in Guru and Vedanta Vakya. Only then that is called Shraddha, and the right type of faith, the Sattvic type of faith, you should have on these, because Veda is paramount. It has come from God. Like that, if you do not have the belief, then it is very difficult. What words are told there, you will not believe. That is highlighted as a quality for the sadhaka. And then Samādhānam. So the student asked, you mentioned the word Samādhānam. What does that mean? So Samādhānam kim. Like that it is asked. And then the teacher is replying, cittaikāgratā. So what is cittaikāgratā? Is the focus of the mind. Focus of the mind on what? The goal. Lakshye chittasya sthitihi. Like that it is defined. That means what? Keeping the focus on the goal. Only by focusing again and again, we can actually focus. So focus needs focus as well. So what will help with Samādhānam? So japa has been told. So Krishna will also say, Abhyasena tu Kunteya. Abhyasa. Abhyasa means what? You have to practice again and again. What? Focus. So japa, we know it puts you on focus again and again. One mantra or one, the remembering the form of a deity. Like that you bring the focus again and again. The mind will pull you away. The worldly thoughts, I have to do this, I have to do that. No, all these things will come. But then again, you bring your thoughts. So that is abhyasa. And that is accomplished by using japa as a practice. And also, Shraddha is also a precursor for Samādhānam. Why? Because only if you trust somebody, only if you have faith, then you will be able to put your mind there. So, Shraddha and japa are two tools. And what are the benefits of this? Jnana Yoga Siddhihi. What are we saying? We must achieve liberation in this lifetime. So, Jnana, to get the Jnana Yoga, you need a focus, right? Without any focus, how can you achieve it? You cannot. You will get the Jnana Yoga only by having this quality of Samādhānam, the focus on the goal. And what will also this lead to? It will lead to Manobala. Manobala means strength of the mind. Because why? Because you have focus. Once you have focus, you get strength. Mind becomes strengthened only by focus. Mind doesn't get strengthened by going here and there. If you put the mind in one place, it will become strong. So, benefits of this quality, Samādhānam, are Jnana Yoga Siddhi and Manobala. So, we all know the story of Arjuna's focus. So I'll just read it. When Dronacharya was teaching archery to his students, he once asked them to shoot a bird on a tree by aiming at its eye. He called them one by one and showing them the bird asked what they saw. Everyone except Arjuna said they saw the tree, the branches, the bird, etc. And so everyone missed the target. Dronacharya asked, what do you see? Arjuna said, I see the eye of the bird. Dronacharya asked, do you see the tree? Arjuna says, no. Dronacharya asks again, do you see the branch? Arjuna says, no. Dronacharya asks again, do you see the bird? Arjuna says, no. Dronacharya asks, then what else do you see, Arjuna? Arjuna says, nothing. And saying so, Arjuna released the arrow and it hit the target straight. So in Bhagavad Gita, in chapter 2 itself, Lord Shri Krishna is going to say, Vyavasayatmika buddhihi yekeha kurunandana bahushaka hyanantascha buddhayo vyavasayinam. What does that mean? Those who are on this path are resolute. If you have a resolute purpose and their aim is one, O beloved child of the Kurus, O Arjuna, the intelligence of those who are irresolute is multi-branch. If you do not have a goal, then your mind will be scattered. So, what the scriptures are saying, have the goal. Only if you have the goal, you can work towards it. If you don't have any goal, if you say, okay, let my life take me in the way it wants to, then you will not be able to focus on your path. So it says, don't be irresolute, have a resolution, have a focus, and keep focusing on the goal. That is what is known as Samādhānam.